Hello, you guys again. This is Miss Selma, and this lesson is suffixes. Of course, we do all know suffixes. We took it before, and in the previous lesson, we discussed prefixes, which were a group of letters that come before or after. Before, yes, very good. The word to change its meaning or to add to its meaning. What about the suffixes? They are also a group of letters that come after the word to usually, or the adjective, to usually change its part of speech. Again, these are to change, can you write this please in your books? Parts of speech. What are the parts of speech? Is the word category. What's the word category? Is to change, for example, from verb to noun, from noun to adjective, from adjective to adverb, and so on. Do you remember that? For example, if I have an adjective and I add ly, it becomes an adverb, and so on. All right, let's start. All right, and that's, by the way, page 135 in your Oxford English book. Okay. The ending CIAN, which is pronounced as shin, is used in the names of many jobs. Match the jobs where with the definitions. Okay, first, a musician plays a musical instrument. A musician. I have here the word music, and then I added CIAN, but I cannot have musician. So I eliminated one C and I just added IAN. Plays a musical instrument. So, beautician, here the word is like beauty, but then I changed the Y into I and I added the CIAN. Electrician, but again, same with the musician. I cannot put the double C after each other, so I drop one of the C's and I just add one C, or I just add IAN. Magician, same rule, like music. Mathematician, also mathematic, the root word, and then you add the IAN. Optician, same thing with musician and electrician and magician. Politician, politic, then the ending or the suffix. The last one is laboratory technician. Okay. So we'll read the sentences from number 1 to 7 and see who does what, which is the job of who. A or an examines your eyes. Is it a beautician or electrician or magician or mathematician or optician or politician or laboratory technician? What do you think? Maybe it's the very first time for you to use the word, but by sense, because for sure you know the rest of the words, so it's not gonna work. Only the word that you can use here is, sorry, optician. All right. Okay. A or an, so optician is the person who examines your eyes, the doctor of eyes. A or an does strange tricks that look impossible. See the prefix impossible? So a beautician or electrician or a magician or mathematician or politician or laboratory technician. An or a magician, right? If your answer was magician, then you are correct. M-A-G-I-C, magic, then I-A-N. All right, next, number 3. A or an takes care of your skin and hands. Who takes care of your skin and hands? Is it a beautician or electrician or mathematician or politician or laboratory technician? I think it's the laboratory technician. Okay, so if your answer was beautician, then you are completely right. Beautician. Alrighty. Alright. Number 4. A or an fits and repairs electrical things. Fits and repairs electrical things. Is it electrician or politician or mathematician or laboratory technician? Of course, it's electrician. This is for number 4. I don't think I'm able to write the word here. Electric, then I-A-N. We don't double the C, please take care. Number 5, a or an. Also, make sure to choose which article you're using here. Please choose the article. A or an works in the government. A or an works in the government. Who is it? It's a politician or a mathematician or a laboratory technician. It's a politician, so politician takes a. Politician. Politic. Then we add I-A-N. Next. Number 6. A or an studies numbers and shapes. Of course, it's the one with the math, the brain. Alright, so is it a or an? It's a mathematician. Mathematic. Then I-A-N, mathematician. This is number 6. Okay, number 7. A or an works with machines and instruments. It's, of course, the laboratory technician. The laboratory technician. I seriously can't write that word. It's very long. All right, and that's it for the suffixes. And that actually changed from, this changed from noun to another noun as well. But the thing is that we changed from something called abstract noun to concrete noun. What's abstract and concrete? From abstract to concrete. The abstract nouns is like beauty. Is beauty something that you can touch? No, beauty is not something that you can touch. It's an idea. Is politics something that you can touch or hear or see? No, it's also an idea. All right. Mathematics, is it something that you can touch? No, it's all about ideas. So that's the meaning of abstract. To concrete, are things that you can actually see that refers to places or persons. So we changed from beauty, an abstract noun, to beautician, a person, right? So here I didn't change the part of a speech or the word category. The word category is the same, both are nouns, but I changed what kind of noun, from abstract to concrete noun. All right, I hope this is easy for you guys. Okay. You can change a verb, that's the next rule, ending in de or se into a noun which ends in sion, pronounced as in decision. So the last 4 words here are pronounced jin. Okay? So before the cian were pronounced as shin, this sion is pronounced like jin, jin, decision. So again, you can change a verb and make it a noun but the verb has to end in de or se, and to the noun that ends with sion, pronounced as in decision. Examples: divide, division. Do you see? I cancelled the de and I added the sion. Revise, verb to revision. Decide to decision. All right? Complete the sentences by changing pairs of verbs into nouns. Example: to avoid possible confusion, the verb here is confuse. I am making some revisions. The verb of revisions is revise to this term's math exam. So here we have pairs of words: explode and collide, decide and divide, exclude and include, conclude and provide. So let's use the pairs of words. First question. The football fans were surprised by the space of Lazio in the team and the blank of Barry from it. Let's think together. Okay. The football fans were surprised by explosion of Lazio, or decision, or division, or provision, or exclusion, or inclusion. The football fans were surprised by the inclusion of Lazio in the team. My handwriting is beautiful. And the exclusion. All right. Bear in mind that we don't have to use the words in order. Like, we don't have to use the first word first and the second word second. No, we can change. Immediately after the blank of a truck with an oil tanker, on the highway there was a huge blank. What do you think? Is it explosion and collision, or a decision and division, or a conclusion and provision? All right. So immediately after that, collision, and collision means like a car crash, 2 cars crashing together. There was a huge explosion because of the oil and the car, of course. The government's blank is to make blank for a disaster fund. The government's decision is to make division for a disaster fund, or the government's division is to make decision for a disaster fund, or the government's conclusion is to make provision for disaster fund, or the opposite, the government's provision is to make conclusion for a disaster fund. Think. So if your answer was conclusion, and provision, provide means to give. So provision is the action of giving something to someone. For a disaster fund, the family had to make a blank about the blank of the farm among the farmer's brothers. So is it the family had to make a division about the decision of the farm among the farmer's brothers, or the family had to make a decision about the division of the farm among the brothers? Of course, it's decision first, then division. Okay. All right, and that's it for today's lesson. Have a good day. Goodbye.